Menteri juga Sarkar Jalai Kabalai Lam do Menteri Rangba Okarat ke sama Kalashim Katu ka Netali Kirai na kabenta kabit kabiang jong upai ba. Kawai kini Kirai kedai kajing penduna ka percentage jong kesud jong kinong rep ki Bashim Ram ling ba ka Kisan Credit Card Scheme. Ukondat ulai thu baling ba kane kan yarap yo kembak khat khandai hajar ngut kinong rep ki Bashim Ram na kabenta ka rep kriang ka jongki.
The Agriculture Department and the Finance Department had a meeting regarding this issue, and I'm happy to inform all our farmers that those farmers who have availed the Kisan credit card loans, the state government of Meghalaya will be reimbursing 2% of their interest from the state government side. So there will be an interest subvention from the state government of 2%. This will of course apply to farmers who have taken the loan and have repaid the loan along with the interest, and it will be a reimbursement of 2% of the amount that comes out from the state government side. This has been done as one of the steps towards supporting the farmers during the time of COVID. We understand that farmers and a lot of the public in general have faced a lot of challenges during this time of COVID, and therefore this is one of the subventions and some of the steps that we've taken. And I would like to thank our Agriculture Minister, the entire Finance and Agriculture Department for taking this step, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in helping the farmers, and also in also kind of promoting this entire Kisan credit, and we hope that more and more farmers go for this in the future.
Kawai par karai kadai halor ka jing sedang bande yo do yong baladapti link ba ki auction ani ka jing rilam link ba ka juk start jong ke internet link ba ka ni ki deputy commissioner ha ki district kira dep ye ki jing khat tendar bar ya ka ni ka kam la yat kat kum ka jing batha jong ka National Green Tribunal.
We had in fact already started the process, and then at one point there was some concerns that were raised by NGT. To be very specific, NGT wanted the government of Meghalaya to transport the coal from the quarry to the depot. And earlier we had proposed that let the coal miner himself bring the coal from the depot to the from the mines to the depot, because it is difficult for the state government to go into this. But the NGT did not agree to that, and therefore we had to go through the process of actually getting transporters to transport those products. And in the initial stage, when we went for a tendering process to get transporters, we did not get response. So then we had to then finally go into the district level, and the deputy commissioners then called this particular tendering process locally, and we got response in 2 of the districts. And so now hopefully we'll be able to move things faster. So these kind of unforeseen situations did come up, but we have to follow the rules and the laws, and as per prescribed by the NGT. So because of that there was a slight delay, but I'm hopeful that things will move now in a faster pace because the transporters have been finalized now.
Sekawai par karai lai thu Menteri Rangba kalong ba kawai par kasin shong jaka kinhul Menteri la banyakran halor ke jing penjarane ke samoy terekam jaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kabalahab an penjarane ke samoy terekam namar ke jing ab an penterekam ke jing soy sos kular ke ANVC bar ka Sarkar pedeng.